Okay, continuing on with our adventure with CircuitPython and the Python Pico board by Raspberry Pi. This one is soldered onto a larger expansion board which has these various blocks for input output plus all the pins that you can use for input output. Now we're looking at the Adafruit guide for how to get this board going. What they're talking about is actually this board, which is just the Pico itself, Raspberry Pi Pico itself. What I've got is an expansion board with the Pi in the middle. I'll come back to this page in just a minute. Here is a link to buying the board on DigiKey. It looks like it's $11.20. If that includes the Pi, I guess the Pico, I believe it does. And then this information we've got here is written by Katni Rembor. Here is an article about her in terms of Python and what her job is with Adafruit. Lots of information here about her. Now, we're going to be downloading the latest version of CircuitPython for Raspberry Pi Pico, and we're going to be using the MU editor. And when we click on this, it will download this whole file, which we then drag and drop onto our Raspberry Pi. The only way you can do that when you get a fresh raw board is to press the button and then plug the board in. After you press and hold the button, then you can plug the board in and it will boot up so that you can then drag this previously downloaded UF2 file onto this board. Here's what it looks like. This is the environment that you see. It's the drive you see for this board. And you will see that there are libraries, LIB folder. When you open that up, you'll see all these different PY files in the LIB folder that pertain to this step-by-step guide. So that's the reason you're downloading this UF2 file onto your board, so that you get the libraries and then you can use this guide. There'll be more on this.